In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make it rain with any type of video footage you have, but it works best with overcast skies like this one here of London. So it's just a video clip of London, the Ferris wheel in London. So nothing special. So let's make it rain. So grab my rain effects. Now you can't see them, but if you go to compositing mode, select screen, it's visible, but it's not long enough. So all you have to do is drag another one down here, do a crossfade, and make it the same length as the video track. So now you can see the rain. So let's add a sound effect in here as well. Thunder and lightning and rain. Okay, now let's insert a video track, and let's insert a lightning bolt. Now to make this lightning bolt visible, go to Properties, select Media, under Alpha Channel, make sure it's set to Straight Unmatted. Straight Unmatted to make it visible. Now we have to move this. I don't like it over by the Ferris wheel. So go to Track Motion. Make sure Sync Cursor is not enabled. Let's drag this over to the left. And you might not see this in the preview, even though my we're set to half, draft half, because it's lagging so high. It's lagging so much because the video tracks and special effects are so large. But when you render it, it will show up in the render, no problem. So let's play this back and see what it looks like. So that looks pretty real. I obtained special effects from Production Crate. I'll put a link in the description and also a pinned comment with a link so you can check out the Production Crate's website out and check out the special effects on there. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.